In your opinion, what are the biggest challenges in extrusion field nowadays? It is recycling of materials or increasing of energy cost. What's the problems?
You already mentioned the two major problems. Of course, recycling waste is the big problem, and the heavy in energy costs since probably 5-6 months or 8 months that drives us tremendously. And but before we already were focused that this is exactly the topic where we spend a lot of time for our developments to reduce energy costs and also recycling. I think you saw it in our presentation, what we are already doing and where we are and what's coming next.
I will come back to recycling a few minutes later. Please tell me, what are the main highlights at the case show for Battenfeld-Cincinnati?
Yeah, what we presented at a presentation 1 hour ago, mainly all our new developments in terms of climate protection with drip irrigation, the new drip irrigation line, water management, and then digitalization is of course a key element in our developments, and we will show some news as we presented before at the K show. And then everything what has to do with recycling, waste to oil, and etc. etc. So these are the main topics. And then of course, as a buy thing, we will come up with a new design for our lines at the K show, integrated line for all our lines around the world.
And more technological question. You mentioned on the stage about the window recycling. Yeah. What are the company achievements in this field?
Yeah, I think we have a pretty good system in Germany in terms of windows recycling. Every window has to be recycled when you bring it back, or the supplier has to take it back. So, and we developed new pelletizing machines for the recycling of those materials that it's usable again for other parts later on. So this is the Anglo X is our new pelletizing machine to use for especially for this PVC recycling material.
And the last question: what do you expect about for this year's K show?
Yeah, I hope this is my hope that hopefully a lot of customers can come. As far as I know, the K is the last really international show, and I really hope that a lot of people can come to the show. Hopefully, like last time, but I'm not sure. This would be one of the big things that I hope that people can come, and we have good discussions, showing our news and meet friends and customers, and because it's the last 2 years were definitely hard.
Yes. I wish a big success on the fair.